Every year, thousands flock to sun-kissed shores, seeking relaxation and adventure. But beneath this stunning beauty lies a stark reality. Over 320,000 drowning fatalities occur worldwide, with many tragedies striking at beaches. Rip currents, powerful channels that pull swimmers away from the shore, claim over 100 lives annually in the US alone. And let's not forget the lurking dangers of jellyfish and sharks. With these risks in mind, it is crucial for beachgoers to remain vigilant and informed about the potential hazards that can turn a day in paradise into a tragic event. Today, we will unveil the 15 most dangerous beaches around the globe, where the beauty of the landscape is starkly contrasted by the lurking threats beneath the waves, where beauty meets peril. Before we dive in, let's take 30 seconds from your valuable time to hit that subscribe button and notification bell to join our adventure-loving community. Let's get started with our countdown. New Smyrna Beach, Florida. Known as the shark bite capital of the world, New Smyrna Beach has more shark attacks per square mile than anywhere else on Earth. But here's the crazy part. Most locals still surf here daily. This beach is known as America's most dangerous beach because it has the most shark attacks, earning the nickname the shark bite capital of the world. The warm waters attract both surfers and sharks, leading to frequent encounters. Despite its beauty, the risk of shark bites makes it a dangerous spot. Interestingly, Florida has more reported shark attacks than places like Australia or South Africa. Although many bites occur, they are rarely fatal, and sharks generally don't want to eat humans. Around 100 shark attacks are recorded each year, with about 20 resulting in death, often due to blood loss from bites. Thankfully, only 10 out of 400 shark species are considered dangerous to humans. Skeleton Coast, Namibia. Imagine a coastline so treacherous that ancient sailors called it the Gates of Hell. The Skeleton Coast earned its name from the countless shipwrecks scattered along its shores. But it's not just the ships you need to worry about. The combination of thick fog, strong currents, and shifting sandbanks makes swimming here extremely dangerous. Since the earliest European exploration of the African coast, thousands of ships have wrecked here. This has created a unique area where many shipwrecks are scattered across the desert landscape. The Skeleton Coast is a dangerous area known for its risky tides that have led to numerous shipwrecks. Visitors also face threats from wild animals like leopards, hyenas, and cheetahs, making it even more dangerous. Bikini Atoll, Marshall Islands. Bikini Atoll, once used for nuclear testing, is still dangerous because of leftover radiation. While it isn't as radioactive as the Chernobyl exclusion zone, it's still risky. Short visits are considered safe, but staying long or eating local food is not recommended. From 1946 to 1958, the US conducted 23 nuclear tests there, which turned out to be more harmful than expected. As a result, the original residents of Bikini have not been able to return due to contamination of the soil and water, making farming and fishing unsafe. Despite promises from authorities, the area remains unfit for people to live in. Gansbai Beach, South Africa. Diving with sharks in a cage is a thrilling experience for adventurous travelers, but swimming without a cage can be extremely dangerous. Gansbai Beach in South Africa is known as the Great White Shark Capital of the world due to its large population of great white sharks and around 60,000 fur seals nearby. While many tourists enjoy cage diving, swimming outside the cage can be risky. A study found 423 great white sharks in the area, highlighting its significance for shark sightings, especially since their numbers are declining globally. The best time to see these sharks is from June to September, when the waters are clear and the sharks are migrating. Though many tour companies offer cage diving, it's important to remember that these are wild animals and accidents can occur. For example, in 2015, a couple filmed a shark attack while cage diving, but they were safe inside the cage. Gurgaon, Chowpatty, Mumbai, India. Beaches are typically lovely spots for families to unwind, but some, like Chowpatty Beach, have been severely harmed by industrial activities. This beach is notorious for its extreme pollution, with untreated waste and debris, making the water unsafe for swimming. The pollution levels are so high that they pose serious health risks to visitors, making it one of the most dangerous beaches in the world. When you visit Chowpatty Beach, it's clear why you should stay away. The beach is filled with sewage and is toxic, yet it remains popular with tourists. Utakliv Beach, Norway. Visitors flock to Norway's Lofoten Islands for the stunning northern lights. But exploring the beaches, like Utakliv Beach, is not recommended. The surrounding waters are dangerously cold, posing a serious threat to those who enter. Utakliv Beach, known for its beauty, is also one of the most hazardous due to its unpredictable weather. Temperatures can quickly drop, often ranging from 8 to 14 degrees Fahrenheit for most of the year. Although tourism is popular, visitors should be prepared for the cold and harsh conditions with warm, waterproof clothing. Maho Beach, St. Martin, Caribbean island. Maho Beach in St. Martin, on the Dutch side of St. Martin, is famous for its unique proximity to an airport runway. The beach is known for the thrilling experience of watching planes fly just overhead as they approach the runway. However, the jet blast from aircraft taking off from runway 10 poses a risk, potentially blowing people into the water or against solid objects. Planes pass over Maho Beach roughly every 15 minutes, and you can check the schedule at nearby restaurants or bars, which display the flight timetable. Shitovaya Bukhta Beach, Russia. Shitovaya Bukhta Beach is renowned for its exceptional surfing waves, yet it remains largely unvisited by surfers. Beneath its seemingly safe waters lie old nuclear submarines that are reportedly leaking harmful radiation. Despite its potential as a top surfing destination, the beach poses significant health risks due to radioactive leaks from decommissioned submarines and possible storage units. The presence of the Russian Navy in nearby Vladivostok adds to the area's mysterious and secretive nature. Given these dangers, it is advisable to seek a safer beach for surfing or leisure activities. Morecambe Bay, UK. Morecambe Bay in Lancashire is considered England's most dangerous beach due to the confluence of 4 rivers: the Keer, Wyre, Lune, and Leven. These rivers can flood and drain quickly, altering the beach and posing risks to visitors. While Morecambe Bay offers typical summer activities, it has a history of fatalities from people getting trapped by the tides and encountering quicksand, which can form in minutes. Beach guide Alan Sledmore warns that the area can be very hazardous without a guide. The bay is also important for wildlife, serving as a feeding ground for many birds, ducks, and geese. Although swimming is possible, there are no lifeguards on duty, so visitors should be cautious and check tide times and weather conditions as the tide rises quickly along the coast. West End Beach, Bahamas. The Bahamas are a popular vacation spot, known for their beautiful beaches, but you should avoid West End Beach due to its high shark population. Although the area features clear waters and soft white sand, it is considered one of the most shark-infested beaches in the Caribbean, making it less appealing for visitors. West End has a rich history, including connections to smugglers and rum runners, especially during the American Civil War and the Prohibition era. The waters around West End are home to various shark species, such as tiger sharks, bull sharks, hammerhead sharks, lemon sharks, Caribbean reef sharks, oceanic white-tip sharks, and nurse sharks. Dumas Beach, India. Dumas Beach in India is known for 2 major threats: king cobras and its reputation as one of the most haunted beaches in the world. Folklore suggests that it was once a Hindu burial site, and the black sands contribute to eerie tales surrounding the area. Local legends claim that the black sand is linked to the ashes of cremated bodies, and many stories of supernatural events have emerged, although these claims are unverified. This beach, located along the Arabian Sea, is considered one of the most mysterious places in Gujarat, making locals wary of venturing too far into the water. While it may not be dangerous in the usual sense, the haunting aspect adds a unique twist to Duma Beach. Amazon River beaches, South America. Visitors to the Amazon River may come across dangerous creatures like piranhas, anacondas, and electric eels. This river is known for having the richest biodiversity of any river in the world, with over 2,500 species of fish identified, although many more are likely yet to be discovered. Swimming in the Amazon is not safe due to various threats, including piranhas, electric eels, bull sharks, arapaima, and the occasional Orinoco crocodile. Additionally, the Amazon ecosystem faces serious challenges from large-scale farming, urban development, unsustainable logging, mining, and climate change. Recent studies have also revealed that urban streams and tributaries leading into the Amazon are heavily polluted with pharmaceuticals, including painkillers and antibiotics, at levels significantly higher than normal. Reunion Island, Indian Ocean, France. Reunion Island has gained a reputation for being dangerous due to its high number of shark attacks, with 20 attacks and 11 deaths since 2011, and over 50 attacks recorded between 1998 and 2016. As a result, authorities have banned swimming and water sports within 300 meters of the coast to protect visitors. The island is located in the Shark Highway between Australia and South Africa, which contributes to the high shark population. Additionally, Reunion Island faces natural hazards like cyclones, landslides, and severe flooding, with a history of extreme rainfall. While Reunion is part of Europe and generally safe, visitors should use common sense by avoiding isolated areas at night, not displaying valuables, and only swimming when lifeguards are present. The island is also known for its unique wildlife. Kilauea Beach, Hawaii, USA. Kilauea Beach in Hawaii is an unusual destination due to its proximity to an active volcano. The constant eruptions of Mount Kilauea, which has been erupting since 1983, release hot lava into the ocean, causing water temperatures to reach dangerously high levels, sometimes up to 155 degrees Fahrenheit, or even 190 degrees in certain areas. While the black sand beaches may look beautiful, they come with serious risks. The volcanic fumes can be harmful, especially to young children and the elderly. Although Kilauea is not currently erupting, its last eruption occurred from December 2020 to May 2021, highlighting the ongoing danger of swimming near this volcano. Overall, the hazards of hot water and volcanic activity make Kilauea Beach a risky place to visit. Cape Tribulation, Australia. Cape Tribulation in northern Queensland, Australia, lives up to its daunting name. This area is notorious for its diverse range of dangerous wildlife, including cassowaries, jellyfish, venomous snakes, and crocodiles. Cassowaries are particularly intimidating. These large, flightless birds can weigh over 160 pounds and become aggressive if provoked. While Australia is known for its stunning beaches, Cape Tribulation is a reminder that beauty can be deceptive. The region is filled with stinging jellyfish, venomous snakes, and even trees known for their painful stings. Visitors should be cautious and aware of the potential hazards when exploring this unique location. Fraser Island, Australia. Fraser Island, also known as Kagari in Australia, is famous for its stunning beaches and World Heritage-listed natural features, including shifting dunes, tropical rainforests, and lakes. However, it is also considered one of the most dangerous islands due to several hazards. The island is plagued by strong, rip currents that can quickly pull swimmers out to sea, and its waters are home to a significant number of great white sharks. Additionally, from October to April, box jellyfish, known for their deadly stings, swarm the beaches, posing a serious threat to visitors. On land, beachgoers might encounter dangerous wildlife, including saltwater crocodiles, deadly spiders, and dingoes, which have been known to attack humans. The island also faces ecological threats from invasive species like cane toads, which are harming native reptile populations and other non-native animals. Despite its beauty, the various dangers make Fraser Island a challenging destination for travelers. Hanakapi'i Beach, Hawaii, USA. Hanakapi'i Beach in Hawaii is known for its stunning beauty, featuring golden sands and striking black cliffs. However, it is also considered one of the most dangerous beaches in the world due to its deadly rip currents. These powerful currents have led to numerous drownings, with at least 30 confirmed deaths, and some reports suggest the total may be as high as 83. Located along the Nepali coast and accessible only via the Kalalau Trail, the beach's remote setting makes rescue efforts difficult. The waves can quickly sweep swimmers out to sea, and there is no reef barrier to protect against the strong ocean currents. Despite its allure, most experienced hikers and swimmers are advised to avoid Hanakapiai Beach altogether due to the serious risks involved. And there you have it, adventure lovers, the 15 most dangerous beaches in the world. Remember, nature's beauty often comes with nature's fury, so always respect local warnings and safety guidelines. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more fascinating travel content about our world's most extreme places. Drop a comment below telling us which of these beaches shocked you the most. Stay safe, stay curious, and we'll see you in the next video.